It's incredible. The man made a simple welding machine just by using some salt water and iron sheets. In fact, the production is very simple, and today the man will share this invention with you, so that in the future, if you need to weld anything, you can make it yourself at home. First of all, we need to prepare a packet of 500 grams of salt, and then prepare 2 plastic bottles, and then prepare for right-angled iron pieces and 2 sets of screws. The last thing is to prepare some wires of 2 colors, and that's all the materials needed. Here we start making. First in the plastic bottle above a small hole, and then bring the screws to try. Just through the hole on it, then open a hole of the same size on the other side. The other bottle is the same on the top of 2 small holes. After all open, get a board, put the 2 plastic bottles on it, then use the bottoms of the bottles to put glue to fix the bottles to the board. Next, unscrew the cap from the bottle and screw the iron piece under the cap. The nut is mounted on top of the cover, so pay attention to the details of the operation, and a wire is mounted on top of one of the holes, which must be tightened with a wrench. See, here we know the use of these iron pieces. After they are installed, take the lid off. We first add some water to the 2 bottles, and then add a few tablespoons of salt to each bottle, and mix well. Finally screw the lids on tightly and you're done. Attach the pre-wired plug wires on top of the screws on top of the bottle straps. 1 wire on top of 1 cap and press it down with a nut. Then bring the wires connected in advance. The red 2 wires connected to a bottle cap. The blue one is also connected together. Do not connect the wrong one here, or it will be easy to short circuit. Above all, tighten with a nut on it. After the whole device is done, the following we start to test the effect. First of all, the plain line connected to a square tube above, and then we put the plug on, turn on the power, then the welding rod touched the square tube on the sparks. It shows that this simple welding machine we made is fully working and can be used instead of a normal welding machine by using salt water and iron sheets. And the volume is still small and easy to make. Seeing this, do you have any idea what principle is utilized to make this?